It's 9 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day Orlando.
And we're back, the 9 o'clock hour of Good Day Orlando. Man, we got a lot of fun stuff for you this morning. We're glad you're here. I'm Amy Kaufeld.
And I'm John Brown. I just went outside. It's cold out there.
Yeah,
I'm glad to be back in here. Here's a look at what's coming up on today's big 9 o'clock show. Do you want to get rid of belly fat? Maybe lose the love handles permanently without surgery? How about freezing it away? We're going to show you how this procedure works coming up this morning. Okay, do you want to get rid of the belly fat? Maybe lose those love handles permanently, all without surgery? How about freezing the unwanted fat away? Join us to explain how it works is Bridget Kelly. She's a physician assistant with Aesthetic Enhancements. Always good to see you. Appreciate you being here again.
Thank you.
I saw the video on this. It's called CoolSculpting. Explain exactly what this is.
So CoolSculpting is a treatment that's been around for several years, but keeps getting approved for new areas. It's a non-invasive treatment that selectively freezes the fat cells. The fat's then crystallized within the cell, and the body reabsorbs it naturally, just like it would any other injury.
Okay, we're going to take a look at some of the videos here of how this works. It sounds like science fiction. It freezes the fat dies then, and it just kind of goes away. Okay, it's not science fact, it's science fact though, right?
But it is fact. They originally discovered this treatment because dentists were seeing that kids that were eating a lot of popsicles were actually getting fat loss on the inside of their cheeks and creating dimples. So they specifically studied the effect of freezing the fat cells and found that about 25% of the fat cells per area are destroyed with each one of these treatments.
Now, you use it with a laser, though, right? And it just kind of lasers the area. So if you need the love handles, or is that how it works?
It's actually a suction. So it's a suction that's created that pulls in the tissue. There's a cooling plate on each side of the applicator that just freezes that tissue that's between it. So no laser,
it's not
no
laser
heat.
on this one, though.
No laser.
Okay, but you can use it on different areas. Where do you see that it works the best?
It works on many different areas. The flanks are a very common area, or the love handles for men and women. The abdomen, it's now also approved for the inner and the outer thighs, so we can treat saddlebags and inner thighs.
How long does it take for the fat to start dying and falling off?
Most people will start to see improvement within a month or so, but it takes about 2 to 3 months to see the full effect of the treatment.
Okay, so why do this as opposed to something like liposuction?
Okay, well, liposuction is still a great treatment. It's one of those things that if somebody wants an instant result, then that might be a better choice for them. But I feel like any time that we can avoid a surgical type of procedure, so CoolSculpting takes away the need for anesthesia, downtime, compression garments for 6 weeks following a procedure. So it's really limiting your risk and your downtime.
We've all seen the video of liposuction. It can look pretty brutal.
It can be pretty brutal.
Calmer procedure, and it's done right there in the office. How much does something like this cost? Say if you want to get the stomach done.
It really depends on the person. It depends on how much fat you're starting off with. So if it's someone who just has that difficult to lose area, then you might only need 2 applications, which is $700 a piece. At Aesthetic Enhancements, we want patients to walk away knowing that they are being very pleased with their results. So if multiple areas are necessary to get them to that desired result, then we discount the total package up to 30%.
Wow. And it's pretty quick, though. In, out, and how long?
Yeah, well, it depends, again, on the number of applications. If you're getting your flanks done or love handles, then it's 2 hours. In, out, you can go to the gym that night. No compression garments, no downtime.
It's interesting. All right.
And it works.
Bridget Kelly, always good to see you. Appreciate your expertise on that. Hey, what's your website in case people want to check out more about this?
DrArmandoSoto.com.
All right. Sounds good.